Easter is around the corner. Let's make 5 crafts under $5, perfect for gifts or DIY with kids. My name's Didi with Didi's Art Workshop. If you like staying on a budget and DIY, this channel is for you. Let's jump right in and let's get crafty. So for our first DIY, we're gonna be making these adorable bunny bags. They are perfect for a gift, for party bags, or if you just want to make this DIY with kids, it's also perfect. Just use Elmer's glue if you are going to be doing this with kids. You can get all this stuff from Dollar Tree. I got the bags and the ribbon and the pom-poms there, so all of this is under $5. And of course, some paint. For our second DIY, we're also going to be doing a bunny bag, and this one can be used for a larger gift. Once again, it can also be for party favors, but I think it's always cute whenever you personalize a bag. It just gives it so much personality, and it also tells the receiver of the gift that you actually took the time to make this. Maybe they like bunnies, or maybe it's their birthday on Easter. All these materials are from Dollar Tree, and the little bags do come in a pack of 3, which is a great deal because the size is a pretty decent size. For this DIY, we're going to be using these paper plates, which I also purchased at Dollar Tree, and we're going to be making a little bunny. And with our poster board, we're going to make the ears, and this DIY is perfect for children as well because they can assemble all of this little bunny and make the little cute face. Or once again, you can do this for maybe girls' night, or if you just want to do a craft with your children or with your friends. Now, since that first DIY was a little girl bunny, I wanted to make a little boy for my son. I decided to paint his little feet and add it to the bottom of the bunny face, so it looks like it's the bunny's feet. This is a cute DIY if you have children, if you have grandchildren, maybe you have some nieces and nephews, or maybe you work with kids. This is a great little DIY you can also give to grandparents, and I don't know, I just thought it's cute. Maybe you can add the date on here at the bottom and their name. This one is also very adorable. Let me know if you will be making this or what other DIY we should make next. For our next DIY, we're gonna use my little son's feet again. And for this one, we're using his feet for the ears. And this one is such a cute keepsake. You're just gonna add a little face, a little bunny face. Once again, we're adding the little rosy cheeks, which I love. Now for this DIY, I wanted to put it inside of this picture frame, but the picture frame is too small, which I was kind of bummed about. So I'm going to get another picture frame and show you guys. So make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok so you can see how it looks. But it turned out adorable. Our final DIY is using this wooden spoon, which you can also get at Dollar Tree. And we're gonna turn this little spoon into a bunny. And it's so cute. I've actually made more of these. If you see more of my videos on YouTube, you will see other cute little spoons for Easter as well. So make sure to follow there. This fabric is from Dollar Tree as well. I always have some at hand. So we're gonna make the ears with that. This is the final look on all of our DIYs, and they are perfect for little keepsakes for grandparents, uncles, moms, dads, or if you work with kids also. They are so cute, so simple, and I actually enjoyed making them myself. Also, maybe you can do it on a girls' night. It's so relaxing, you guys. Let me know which DIY you will be making. I really enjoyed making this. I missed DIYing, so this was a perfect way to come back. Now, funny story, these DIYs were supposed to be part of the collab 5 under 5 Spring Easter tiered tray decor, and I actually read it wrong, so make sure to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for being back. Make sure to follow me on all my platforms. As always, spread love, kindness, and stay crafty.